Okay, guys, quick one. I don't want to waste your time. See, in this video, I just want to tell you 7 things that you should learn as soon as you finish higher institution. Nobody may tell you this, but I just want to tell you that. Number one is learn financial literacy, how money works, how your money can work for you. Number two, learn about investment and compound interest. Number three, attend conferences, go for workshop, go for seminars. It will help you. And the next one is get a digital skill. That's something that you can, in your free time, do in your house, even if you lose your 9 to 5 job or you stop 9 to 5 job. Another one is cut away people that do not resonate with your goal on social medias. Unfollow pages that do not give you vibe of what you desire. You understand? When you do that, you're focused. You're not watching things that align with your goal. And then I think the last one I should tell you here is or the second to the last one I want to tell you is cut junks. Cut junks. All these carbonated drinks and whatever. Cut it, stop it, and eat healthy. And then the last one, bro, cease. Go and start a YouTube channel. Thank you.